Morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday. Weekend's coming. I hope everybody's ready for it. Had a good week. Obviously, most people have noticed that are trading that the market is kind of ranging. Very hard to make money right now. If you do make money, take profits for sure. We gotta just be vigilant right now, being careful not to lose money when we should be making money. Trades are very, very difficult as we are sitting in an area of just capitulation. So let's go straight to the charts. I just want to remind everybody that the bull run usually does not start for a little bit yet, like the full bull run where we go parabolic. I will show you on the Bitcoin graph the last time we had a bull run.
But you can't go from side to side. So that's your asymmetry coming into play that way. So you're not that.
Okay, this is the Bitcoin daily chart.
The wording.
We will go all the way back to May of 2020. This was the halving right here. And as you can see,
doing it or to stop teams what we're thinking about doing
it pretty much just went flat before it started to climb, and then it really didn't start to climb till here. This period from here to here was 163 days, which put it to October 20th, 2020. And then when it started going more parabolic was in December, which was 216 days. We're nowhere close to that in our halving cycle. So the halving this year happened on April 19th, 2024. I marked off the 163 day area, which is September 29th. And we are doing the exact same thing as we did in the last cycle. We're staying in a small range, although it seems like a bigger range just because we're at a higher dollar value for Bitcoin. We're in the 50 to 70K area, where before it was in like the 8 to 12 area. And then 216 days puts us into January. So it could be an interesting, let me just double check that date. Sorry, puts us into December. So just keep in mind that we have not really hit the best part of the bull run. And if you have money to invest, now is the time to just buy spot trades or low leverage and then increase it as your asset goes up. But don't expect any real movement for a bit. Let's take a look at Solana. Again, we're in this area. It's hard to see on the daily, but it's really not moving anywhere. You can see it's running this little small area from here to here. If you are trading it, try to keep it at, grab it at a lower end. Maybe trading it on the 5 or 15 minute chart will give you some small profits, but make sure you take them when stochastic gets to the top. You can see this move here was very, very small. You look into this area. There are some bigger moves that do happen, but they're very rare right now. So if you do get into profit, even if it's 2 or 3%, take your profit. At the end of the day, if you're going to make 1 or 2% a day, that's going to be, after 5 days, you're more than you'd ever get in the bank. And if you did that every day of the year, you'd make 365%. So take the little gains while you can. One trade I've been looking at has been XRP, but again, it's doing the same thing. Just kind of ranging. It did do a small breakout, but when it did, it just did nothing. It stayed in this range again. As you can see, ETH has been like, wow, in a small trading area for quite a while. There are the odd coin that is breaking. Phantom, by the look of things, has just made a break. As you can see, it was right on a wedge, and as it came out of here, you can see it just went crazy actually, and it is still on an upward trend. See what they're,
Smoother. So these three pit options at the end, the RV.
if you've been using Lux Algo trend, you would have caught this
But yes, they have.
and you'd still be in it. So sometimes using like all the tools you can, getting your Lux Algo for your $60 a month or $50 a month is well worth it, because you right here,
Adjusting his mirrors there, you can see
They've
his.
got new mirror stays again, they've been playing with these mirror stays quite a bit.
you would have had 24% move.
Mirror
And
inside.
if you'd have 10x that, that'd been 240%. But finding those coins is the secret.
Put over the whole.
So, but to find them,
Yeah. So they can-
you need to do your technical analysis, going through your charts
I love those. Yeah, Max there.
every morning, just to draw your trend lines and check that they're not setting alerts on them.
Okay, I've got it wrong, it's too far downward or too far up.
Can be so
yeah.
frustrating, adjusting your speed, adjusting your mirrors and you get on the completely different.
So for this weekend, if you're trading, I would advise you to just be cautious. Don't invest too much money or go to spot trades. Feel free, make sure you've done all your research. For those who don't trade, take the Quick Learn Crypto course. It's free for 7 days. You can get most of it done in that time if you try hard. It's not that expensive to subscribe. And once you're done that, message us on the Instagram. And we'll let you join our blue collar degens where we talk about trading. If we see trades, we'll post it. People post their gains. And today's show, as you can see, was brought to you by Copper Rose. So if you're planning to have any drinks this weekend, go get your Copper Rose at the LCBO. And if they don't have Copper Rose at the LCBO, you can